vlog. So kami na lang ni Ate Tina for today's video. May one day pa ako before pumunta ng Toronto. And we decided to go to Universal Studio. Universal Studios. Si Ate Tina, hindi na siya pumasok. Hello! Hello! Papasok na ako. So let's go.
Ride with flying wheels.
Sorry. Oh my God! Ang ganda, saya. Pero hilong-hilo ako. Gosh. Hilong-hilo. Anyways, off to Waterworld. There's a show at 5:45. Yeah, kunin ko lang yung bag ko sa locker. Then I'll go there.
stations. Wardrobe is hanging right there. And there's a table with some food and beverage, snacks. More than usual. There is 60,000 gallons of water left over. All of it is bright and green.
Now he can hire me and be in business for the summer, or he can play it cheap. He doesn't know what he's in for.
Show you how to do some of our practical special effects involving the weather. So as you can hear, some thunder effects and a strobe light is acting as the effect of lightning. You never see those as we rig, right? If you're in the blue sea, you're gonna get wet. Congratulations, you just survived flash flood. I was just kidding.
Good, my friend. It's glad that you do have your hand up. Seeing how Blue responded. Blue might have mistaken that for some meat. It is on the color blood and burgundy, which you do find in any type of meat that is in the carnivore category. I want to see if you can help me with a quick exercise with Blue. Do you think you can try to get her to speak? Put your arm out like this, nice and strong. Now, on the count of 3, as loud as you can, you're going to say, Blue, speak. You're going to open your fingers and close it back up. 1, 2, 3. Good job.
lang. Very late akong dumating dito sa Universal Studio. So, konti lang yung mga napuntahan ko, but I think lahat na nagpuntahan ko maganda naman. Like, especially yung Universal Tour. The tour was around an hour. Kumikot-ikot kami sa mga studio. So, amazing lang. Tapos yung mga effects, parang na-tsunami or na flood. Ang ganda. And yung Harry Potter, ano ba yung isa? Yung Waterworld, yes. Amazing mga actors and yung acrobatics nila. Na-enjoy ko naman in my short time na nagala ako sa loob. Now, uwi na. Because tomorrow is another day. I'm going to Toronto for my last stop of Simula and Wakas World Tour with kasama ko sa World Tour. pag-attend ng SB19 simula at wakas World Tour. Last na sa Toronto. So we're gonna have dinner with Ontario 18 there. Nag-sign up ako yung sa dinner nila. Need to catch flight tomorrow. It's not that early, but still, I need to sleep nicely tonight. But anyway, see you on the next leg of SB19 concert.